Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we are going to learn about Python if else statement. Okay, so first of all, what is if else? So we can say, see, Python supports the usual logical condition. Okay, so if else means suppose this is called as decision making statement. Okay, decision making means suppose I will give you one example. If there is outside the run, so what we can do? So this is depend on us like a we want to go to the outside or not. So same in Python also we have some decision making statement. Okay, suppose we can take like a equals to not equals to, this all are the decision making statements. So now we will see what is if else statement. So suppose we have two values, suppose a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Now what we can do here, we can just compare this value, like if suppose b is greater than a. Okay, so this is called as if statement. If b is greater than a, so we have to print, what we will print? B is greater than a, greater than a. Now see, in a we have 10, in b variable we have 20. So now we will compare. B means 20 is greater than 10. Yes, this condition is true. Okay, so what you will get here, you will get b is greater than a. So let's test our project. So this is called a if statement. Okay, so in this example you can see we have two variable a and b which are used as a part of the if statement to test whether b is greater than a, right? Okay, as C, a is 10, b is 20. Now see what will happen if you will compare this. 20 is greater than 10. Yes, so you will get b is greater than a. Now we will see the second part, which is indentation. So indentation means what? So Python always uses the indentation. It means white spaces at the beginning of a line. Okay. Suppose same example. If I will copy this example here and if I will paste this example here, but if I will remove the white space from here, now if you will run, you will get the error just because of indentation. See, this is your indentation error. So always when you will write your if, so you have to put the space over here. Now if you will run this program, you will get b is greater than a. Okay, so this is called as indentation. After now we will see we have elif statement. Elif means what? See, in the if condition we are just comparing the value. Suppose if you want 2 comparison, 3 comparison, 4 comparison, okay, means more than 1. So now we have only if statement. So if you want to compare more values, more statement, so you can use elif. Okay, so what we will do now, suppose a equals to 10, b equals to 20. Okay, now we will compare the value, like if b is greater than a. Okay, so what I want to print here, I want to print, okay, so see if b is greater than a, so what I want to print here, I want to print the value like b is greater than a. Okay, b is greater than a. Suppose here I want one more condition, like if a is equal to b. So for that we can take elif statement. Elif a is greater equals to b. So we want to print like a is equal to b. Print a is equal to b. Okay, equal to B. Now what will happen if I will test this project? So what output you will get? B is greater than A because this condition is satisfied here. Okay. So this is our Elif statement. Now we will see more in the if. So third we have our else statement. Else means suppose here if you will change the condition like B is less than A. Now if you will run, you will not get anything. Why? Because both the condition are false now. B is not less than A and A is not equal to B. So for that we have a third thing which is else statement. Okay. So why we are using the else? So we can say the else is the keyword that catch anything which is not understand by your if and elif. Okay. So suppose here if I will write last one which is my else condition, else I want to print here, print A is less than B. Okay, less than B. Now see if I will run this, so you will get A is less than B. If see here, if first condition is not satisfied, it will check your second condition. If this is not satisfied, so by default you will get the else part. Okay, so that's why we are writing the else here. Okay, after that we will see some more example here. Miss without elif also we can write the else. Suppose if I will remove this elif, if I will run this, so again you will get your else. Okay, now if this condition will satisfy, so what you will get now? So you will get your true condition. Okay, miss first always it will check your if condition. If condition is true, you will not get your else condition. If condition is false, then you will get your else condition. Okay, now we will see the next part which is your shorthand if condition. Means within a single line if you want to write all the things. Okay, so how you will do that? Suppose I have one value a equals to 10, b equals to 20. Now, suppose we want to write the condition in a single line like this. So, what you can do, if suppose I want to check B is greater than A. So, here we want to print what you can write, whatever statement you want, like a B is greater. Okay. Now, what will happen if I will run this? You will get B is greater. So, within a single line also we can write everything. Okay. Now, we will see the next one which is shorthand if else. Okay. So, how we will do that means suppose here you want to attach your else condition. So, how we will do that? How we will attach our else condition here? So, we need to just simple write. So how you will write that? If you want to write a else here, suppose I have one value a equals to 3, b equals to 10. Okay, we have two values. Suppose so we have to just write print a if. So here you need to just write a is greater than b. Else print b. Okay, else print b. Now see what will happen, what output you will get. You will get B. Why? See, what is this condition? Print A. If A is greater than B, so you have to print A, else you have to print B. So, because see, A is less than B, so this condition is satisfied. Now, if I will write like this, print A if A is less than B. So, now instead of B, you will get A. So, in this way, we can declare our if else statement, we have Elif statement, and how you will write into the single line. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Okay, please share this video which is our code for kids. Thank you so much.